Hey guys, Xiaomi has finally announced the highly anticipated Mi Mix 2S flagship phone. It has arrived as the first smartphone from China to feature the Snapdragon 845 chipset. One of the major attractions of the Mi Mix 2S is that it features dual rear cameras that is equipped with numerous functions. When it comes to the front design, the Mi Mix 2S appears quite similar to the Mi Mix 2. It is slightly smaller and lighter device than the Mi Mix 2. Also, Xiaomi has slightly reduced the size of the bottom bezel that features a selfie camera at the right corner. The slim sized upper bezel features an airpiece. The front and rear sides of the Mi Mix 2S is made out of glass and there is 7000 series aluminum frame running along its edges. This is a special edition model that features 4-side curved ceramic body. It is packed with highest configuration specs. The regular Mi Mix 2S comes in black color, whereas the ceramic body model can be availed in white. The dual camera module of the regular and ceramic model is respectively surrounded by gold and white accents. Like the Mi Mix 2, its upgraded model features an IPS LCD full screen 2.0 display that measures 5.99 inches and it offers full HD plus resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The screen that delivers an aspect ratio of 15:9. The Mi Mix 2S offers higher screen-to-body ratio than the Mi Mix 2. However, the exact information of the screen-to-body ratio of Mi Mix 2S was not revealed at its launch event. The Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with artificial intelligence engine powers the Mi Mix 2S. It is packed with Quick Charge 3.0 enabled 3400 mAh battery like the Mi Mix 2. However, the Mi Mix 2 is the first Xiaomi phone to arrive with support wireless charging. It supports 7.5V QR wireless charging like the 2017 iPhones. Here are all the variants of the phone: 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, 6GB of RAM and 120GB of storage, 8GB of RAM and fixed 256GB of storage, which is also called King version. All the variants of the Mi Mix 2S features a microSD card slot. It is running on Android 8.0 Oreo that is flavored with the latest MIUI 9.5 that brings along support for full screen gestures. According to Xiaomi CEO, the Xiao AI voice assistant that has been introduced on the Mi Mix 2S is smart enough to take on the Apple Siri. It also includes support for Google AR Core. The Mi Mix 2S is the first phone in its series to feature a vertical line dual camera setup. It features a 12-megapixel Sony IMX363 wide-angle lens that has a pixel size of 1.4 micron as the primary sensor. It is coupled with secondary 12-megapixel telephoto lens that carries support for optical zoom. The dual rear cameras can capture impressive bokeh effect shots by effectively blurring the background and focus more on the subject. Also, the backgrounds of the bokeh shot can be customized with 6 kinds of dynamic effects such as AI doing bokeh, Van Gogh Starry Night effect, and so on. The AI also makes it possible to detect up to 206 scenes along with support for real-time language translation and currency. With multi-frame image processing for noise reduction on board, the image shot in low-light conditions are captured with rich details. The dual rear cameras are enabled with features like the dual pixel autofocus, dual tonality flash, and 4-axis optical image stabilization. On the ExoMark, the Mi Mix 2S has scored of 101 in photography benchmarks. However, the total benchmarks of the ExoMark is 97, which puts it behind like the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Google Pixel 2 XL. The score of 97 ranks it alongside other phones like the iPhone X, Huawei Mate 10 Pro. The selfie camera is also capable at snapping amazing bokeh effect shots with AI on board. The Mi Mix 2S is able to deliver advanced facial recognition. The front camera of the Mi Mix 2S also works as face unlock feature. Its back panel is fitted with a fingerprint reader. The connectivity features available on the Mi Mix 2S include dual SIM, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, dual band Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, NFC, and support for 43 bands including 22 LTE bands. Like the Mi Mix 2, it does not feature a 3.5mm audio jack. The pricing of the different variants of the Mi Mix 2S are as follows: 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is equal to 3,299 yuan. $527. 6 gigs of RAM plus 120 GB of storage, 3,599 yuan, $575. And 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 GB of storage, which is also called King version, 3,999 yuan, $639. The wireless charging station for Mi Mix 2S is priced at 99 yuan, $15 only. All the 6 gigs of variants are available in black color, whereas the special edition model has a white color stand body. Now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe this channel for these types of amazing tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.